Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Boat Snoop. I'm your host Clint Johnson, and what we have here today for you is a large Gulfstar 47 sailing sloop. And here she is. This specific boat has just got back from sailing through the Caribbean and got here into Florida. But they've decided that it's the next phase of their life, and so she's going to be ready for someone else here soon. Let's start here up at the bow. While I'm here and I see this, got a large, it appears to be because of the bolts, a mantis, not a Rockna. They're a lot alike, but mantis anchor, and I mean that is a huge one. These Gulfstar 47s were huge, heavy built boats, not light like a lot of the production boats. Not bashing the production boats out. A lot of really great production boats out there, but these things are really big, beamy, roomy. This one is a center cockpit. If you can't tell from this video, that center cockpit sits really high. You're really up there, well protected from any following seas that were to break on the back, anything like that. You're way up there protected. And additionally, this boat comes with 2 wind generators, 2 good-sized solar panels, really solid, well-built dinghy davits, so you can connect your dinghy there on the back. He's even added a motor there to assist in raising and lowering the dinghy. All right, well, let's get on in this boat and show you guys the inside. But first, we're going to just do a quick walk around to the outside. Look at how high these cabin tops are on these Gulfstar 47s. Which means a lot of room inside, a lot of headroom. I mean, it comes up to my stomach, and I'm 5'11". Large, spacious, roomy deck. Got your radar up there. On this one, actually, you have the ability, you can really use this to climb. And your standing rigging here has these bars, so you could actually climb on up. If I can get a better view. Pretty securely, and get up there a ways if you needed to. We'll get inside in here just a little bit, but I'm going to take you around to the aft. Large self-tailing winches. There's your main traveler. Easy access even for the helmsman to operate it if need be. Stainless steel magma grill. Once again, wind generators, solar, GPS. Very large hatch going to the Aft Master Stateroom. This boat, storage lazarettes here on the back, also act as seats. Storage lazarettes there and there on the boat. So a bunch of storage. These boats were made as a cruising style, a lot of weight, really comfortable, really big. Going to give you a little bit of a view here of this Helmstation. Take this cover off so you can look. Large Garmin. But I know you guys want to get on the inside. So let's hop on down, get down in the main salon and take a look around. Hey guys, this channel is sponsored by Tupperware rep Sailor Jen. Tupperware truly is the ultimate galleyware for your boat, and it comes with a great warranty to boot. They are the ultimate source of high quality, lightweight, low rattle utensils, dishes, and cups for your boat or home. Furthermore, their unbeatable food storage containers are the only food storage devices approved for use by the U.S. military when they move military households. Don't have heavy and noisy galleyware on your boat, and go high quality when trying to keep pesky bugs and moisture out of your food, especially on your boat. Go to sailorjen.com today, check out all of their offerings, and order up your new galleyware today. Email any questions to tupperware@sailorjen.com. Thank you, and remember that your order helps out this channel. Some pretty nice wood on these Gulfstar 47s. Little surprise here in a few moments, something that they've added that did not come standard back in the day. But a lot of you, I'm sure, probably will appreciate it. Though before we get to that, really large nav station. In fact, I mean, it's a desk, but your nav station all rolled into one. So a really good size working area, not your normal smaller nav stations. Large electrical control panel. We'll even take a peek at these engine hours here. 441. Generator 5465. Kind of guessing that maybe that motor's been rebuilt somewhere along the way. But here we come with kind of the surprise. They have a full size washer in here. Now, it's not one of the washer dryer units that you find in your RVs that run slow. This would be a more powerful unit that runs for wash, and they probably just hang clothes up to dry off the lifelines. But that is a really nice feature, having the room to basically fit in a full-size washer. And if any of you out there have a Gulfstar 47 and you don't have one there, now you know that would be a good place that you could do it, because these guys have successfully done it. They also have a full-size refrigerator back there, but we'll come back to this. We're gonna get into this really large Aft Master Stateroom. Look at that, guys. Look at that wood. That is just beautiful. You might be able to hear the air conditioning just blowing like crazy in here. It's a warm floor today, but huge Aft Master Stateroom. Look at this, guys. Look at all that wood. Just huge. Look at the size of those drawers. Large, large drawers. Large head. It almost feels like some apartment bathrooms. I mean, it's can see the size of that toilet and see how much floor space you have there. And then in addition, if I open up this shower, that is a large shower. I mean, that's a huge jug of soap or shampoo, and it looks like nothing in this large shower. I just love this wood. If I forgot, more drawers down here underneath the bed, plenty of storage under there. On top of all of that, you're going to have these that lift up. Look at that amount of storage. That's crazy. You know, I see a lot of boats, and I've seen others that, you know, are equivalent built like this sort of boat, but it's been a while. It's been a while. You know, more storage back there, and that cabinet, and that cabinet. But it's just been a while since I've had a chance to be on a boat that just had this much. And probably I wouldn't be doing this boat good service if I did not show you the size of this hanging locker, and that's just half of it. I mean, the other half is over there. I swear in my life I've had some little rinky-dinky, you know, itty-bitty apartments that the closet in my little bedroom didn't have much more than this. So when you start to get in this size range, you can really pick up some room. All right, now that we've seen that, there's that nice, awesome washer again. We'll get it back out to the salon. Definitely have a good sized amount of room in here. This is a keel stepped mast. So once again, like I always say, a lot of strength in that. It goes all the way down, connects to the keel. This boat is keel stepped. This kitchen, or galley, forgive me, has been redesigned some. You see a microwave there in the back, but this full-size refrigerator really it's a full-size refrigerator, guys, on a sailboat, and it's cold. And freezer. So I mean, you're not lacking anything in the refrigeration space, along with microwave, obviously more storage, dishes, things like that, big storage, outboard, more storage here. And as you head aft that way, it definitely gets bigger. Let's give a little bit. And then, like I said, they've done a little bit of a remodel on this boat. It used to come all the way out to here, so they haven't quite finished up that little portion of the remodel. But you needed that so you could get into your sink. It was a smart remodel. Nice countertops. Good amount of storage down below here, and then some smaller storage there. So we turn around in the galley, we do have another head, and there in the V-berth there's a door entering like normal, like a lot of boats, and another one that you can enter right here. So we'll just take a quick look. Normal marine head. Does have a good size shower. I am actually going to show this because I want to show you that it's pretty good, but they are using it for a lot of storage currently because it's just the two of them, so they have used that shower as storage, but it is a good size shower. just love the wood on these boats. V-berth, large V-berth. Drawers for storage. All these spots up here for storage. Got your chain locker doors up there. More storage and more storage. And I suspect probably underneath this large bed, yep, even more storage. Alrighty guys. Well, I hope you really like this tour of Gulfstar 47. This will conclude this week's episode, and don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button,